What up, y'all? It's Every Penny Counts. I'm gonna show you this site. I'm gonna do a cash out on this site, Dollarclix. Just to show you real quick how you make money with this site. Very simple, very standard to most of the sites. You go here to earn points. You see they got daily survey. That's the first thing I do. I come on here and I try some of these surveys. You see here, easy survey routers. You get 104 points for that, which is equivalent to $1.04. They have your surveys, 75 points for those. Peanut Labs is always a good one, 50 points. You know what I'm saying? You just scroll down, you see how many survey providers they have here. Just try one. Samplish is one of my favorite ones because these you really don't, get kicked out of many of them. I mean, they're easy to qualify for, in my opinion. I have a lot of success with them on multiple sites, including this one. So you do it here, you get 100 when you would serve at like 10, no long. They're very to do. That's why I really, and highly encourage you to sample-licious ones because, for like 10, 15 minutes, it's not bad to do at all. And right below that, they have a 5-minute survey route. Look, these surveys are only 5 minutes long. Very quick, 40 points for each one that you do. All right, so that's why I really recommend these sites to you because I know so many different ways to make money with them. And on this site, the Your Surveys, the Sample-licious, the 5-minute survey router, really the top 3 you want to pay attention to when it comes to not only this site but a lot of sites. If they have those survey providers, jump on those first, you know what I'm saying, because a lot of people try to do those survey routers because they're probably the best buck for your time. So when they have so many people going at it at one time, those surveys, they fill up very quickly. So definitely get involved with those sites as soon as you see them available. All right, so that's the survey section. If you go over to earn points, you see more things they have. They have Dollarclix offers. They have the offer of the day. Click on that, see what the offer of the day is. It just changes from time to time. You see here, you download the game. Things that just tell you what you got to do. Install, open the app, unlock 4th level village. You'll get 2.4 points for that. So not a lot, but that's the offer of the day. Like I said, it always changes. Tomorrow they might have something that's like worth $1 or $2. You have to, sign up for something like that. But for me, I only sign up for things that are free, which I highly encourage you guys to do the same thing, unless it's something you want. So it just really depends on you. You see here, if you scroll down a little bit, they have different offer walls. One thing about me when I'm doing surveys, I always have my videos running in the background. And Hideout TV, that's exactly what that is. All right, so you just have your videos playing in the background. You get paid for every 3 videos that play. Another thing on here, you see here, this Stem Reach. That's a survey provider where they'll pay you disqualification points. So for every one that you attempt, you'll get a penny for doing that. It's not a lot, but it continues to add up. But you can just continue to do as many of those as possible. Whenever you get frustrated with surveys, like, you're disqualifying for some and you can't get the hang of it, what I do is for every 3 surveys that I attempt, I get disqualified for, which isn't, doesn't happen all the time because I really know what they're looking for in surveys, things like that. But if that does happen, one thing I do is I go to survey providers that pay you disqualification points, like Stem Reach. They will pay you disqualification points. So that way you take a few of those, and the surveys, they're easy to do. So you'll qualify for more than those more often than not. But in the unlikelihood that you don't, you still get the penny. So you just kind of bang out on those, do a few of those just to still get money in your account. That way you're not just sitting there on zero and you've been in this site for 30 minutes. So that's one thing I want to show you guys in order to, just continue to make money with these sites. And you see here they have other offers like the offer Turo. That's a really good one. I already talked about Peanut Labs, My Ad Wall. You can basically get paid to click on ads in there. Ad Gate Rewards, that's probably my favorite because a lot of the offers in here are just basically like, sign up for this and it's free. I'm saying? They're like little things where you just enter your email and bam, you're getting like 15, 20 points for doing something like that. So I just want to show you guys that, but also I'm going to show you guys a cash out here. You see here I have in my points balance, I have 227. In my account balance I have 77 cents. So I'm gonna put that together. It's gonna be a little bit around $3. So let me go ahead and convert my points. And in order to do that, I'm gonna go up to my account, convert points right here. And on this site, you can cash out at a minimum of like $2. So that's why and they call it Dollarclix. So you don't have to wait. I think it's $2. Let me go back and check. It might be like $1, but I'm going to cash that up. Well, my bad, I got 227. So I'm gonna do a 0.33 as well. You see here, $2.27 in cash. Convert that to cash. Click on that. You see, bam, right there, $3.04 in my account. So I'm gonna go back over to PayPal, withdraw balance. And now you see here you have Amazon. You can cash out $5. They had a bank transfer, $25, things like that. But you keep on scrolling down, and you'll see the PayPal right there. Cash out a minimum of $1. All right. So these other ones, I mean, they're a lot higher. You know, $52 is a lot to cash out with, so I don't even recommend that to anybody. And the other ones, I mean, Amazon, that's another popular one. So, you know, if you're interested in that, they have no fees, so that's probably a good thing. PayPal does have a 2% fee, just so you're aware of that. But let me see if I can click on, see if I can enter your other. But now you got to pay the 2% fee. So that's not bad. Just $3.04, not a lot, but just showing you guys that, you know, you can make money with this site. Just doing a survey or two. That's all I really pay attention to. So right here, I'm gonna click on withdraw, and it should go straight to my account. Is your payment address correct? Maybe, matter of fact, let me go check that real quick, and I'll be right back. All right, so I did it. Whenever they ask me, you know, is your payment address correct, I always want to check it because it makes me feel like they found the error with it or something. But my email was correct, you know, nothing crazy like that. You see here, success, your withdrawal has been added to the pending list. So usually, you know, it takes about, you know, a day or two, not long. If you go over here to the chat box, you'll see what everybody else is doing, the kind of ways they're making money with it. You know what I'm saying? Some people are doing surveys, some people doing offers, some people clicking on ads. So everybody's doing a little bit of everything to make money with this site. So you can get involved with it just like they are. All right. So like I said, the link to this site will be in the description. Click on it, sign up, get you a bonus, start making money with it, doing the surveys, doing the offers, and cash out a minimum of $2 with this site. Very easy to use, very simple. They actually have a activity bonus. Every time you log in, you'll get like 0.01 points. I mean, it's not a lot, but you know, you're logging in every day. You might as well just continue to get paid for it just a little bit. Just continue to add points to your account. Very simple to use. See, I cashed out $3.04 today. They have different ways to cash out, but the most important thing is it's a way to make money, doing surveys, doing offers, watching videos, all kind of different things, clicking on ads. You got to get started with it. You have to sign up. Like I said, the link is in the description. Sign up today, and remember, every penny counts.